Find the coordinate of the terminal points determined by t equals negative 4 pi over 3. Before we do this, there are a few special points or numbers in the first quadrant that we should remember. The first point is 1, 0. The distance from the origin to the point horizontal distance is 1, and the vertical distance from the origin to the point is 0. 0, 1. The number that associates with the point 1, 0 is t equals 0. We always start at that point. The number that associates with the point 0, 1 is pi over 2. This is the distance around the unit circle. Half of this distance is pi over 4. It has the coordinate root 2 over 2, comma root 2 over 2. And a third of the distance from 1, 0 to 0, 1 is pi over 6. It has the coordinate root 3 over 2, comma 1/2. And twice of pi over 6 is 2 pi over 6, which is pi over 3. At that point, it has the coordinate x equals 1/2 and y is root 3 over 2. The way to memorize these is to start with one point, either 0, 1 or 1, 0. If we start at the point 0, 1, think of this as x equals root 0 over 2, and then we go to the right. Each time we increase the numerator by 1, and so the next point has the x coordinate root 1 over 2. Root 1 over 2 is 1/2. And the next point is root 2 over 2. The next point is therefore x equals root 3 over 2 all the way to root 4 over 2. But root 4 over 2 is 1. Going back, this is root 0 over 2, root 1 over 2, root 2 over 2, root 3 over 2, and root 4 over 2 is 1. To save us a lot of time, this needs to be memorized. The coordinate of the terminal point determined by t equals negative 4 pi over 3 can be determined on the unit circle, but we have to go counterclockwise, starting at the point 1, 0. Always start counting or moving clockwise or counterclockwise from the positive horizontal axis, which is the positive x-axis. We start at the point 1, 0 and we move counterclockwise because this is a negative number. Since the denominator is 3, we're going to count twice of pi over 6 each time, or 1 pi over 3 each time. 1 pi over 3 is 1/3 of a half of a circle, starting at the point 1, 0, going counterclockwise. This is negative pi. And so a half of a circle is negative pi over 3, negative 2 pi over 3, and negative 3 pi over 3. Negative 3 pi over 3 is negative pi. We still need to keep moving because we want to get to negative 4 pi over 3. Negative 4 pi over 3 is from negative 3 pi over 3 going one more pi over 3. This is negative 4 pi over 3. Using symmetry, we know that this point has something to do with the point in the first quadrant. If t is pi over 3, the coordinate of the point in the first quadrant is x equals 1/2, y is root 3 over 2. Using symmetry, the coordinate at the point determined by t equals negative 4 pi over 3 must be, this is in the second quadrant, so x has to be negative. X is therefore negative 1/2. Using symmetry, y in the second quadrant is positive, and so y is root 3 over 2. The coordinate of the terminal point determined by t equals negative 4 pi over 3 is negative 1/2 root 3 over 2.